In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your KLING AI app to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that come with this app, and you'll also be able to fix security issues as well as bugs that are associated with the older version of KLING AI. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Alright, let's get into it. Now, to update the app, you can either do it on Android smartphone or iPhone. So if you're on iPhone, you'll need to access the App Store. However, if you're on Android, then you need to access Google Play Store. So for my case, I'm using Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store, and here it is. And I'll go ahead and tap on it and then search for the app, KLING AI, and here it is. From here, go ahead and tap on the app and now look for any update if it is available. If it is available, you'll see here written update instead of open. Go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of KLING AI and then install it. Once it is installed, now you can proceed from here and then tap on open, and now you'll start using the latest version of KLING AI. By doing so, you'll have updated your app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.